Hi guys, welcome to my another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to design a website. So yes, we are going to learn how to design a website from scratch. See, this is my new website. I didn't do anything, so this is my new one. So we are going to design it in. I'm going to design it in front of you. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So please watch the video fully so that you can also design your own website. Okay, so follow the steps which I'm following. So watch it clearly. Okay, if you don't have a website, then message me on Instagram. I will explain you how to build your own website, and if possible, I will design it for you for free of cost. Yes, I'm telling it free of cost. I'm not going to charge any single penny from you. Okay, it's free of cost. So my Instagram link in the description. Okay, go, and if you don't have a website, message me. I will personally address your queries. Okay, so let's get into the video. So as I said, this is my new one. Yesterday only I buy my hosting and domain, so I got my website, so I'm going to design it. Okay, so watch clearly and fully. Okay, so let's get into the video. So let's first log into our WordPress site. So we are going to enter into our WordPress dashboard. So this is a WordPress dashboard. See, and I installed some plugins like WordFriends for security reasons. So to design a website, we want two plugins. One is Elementor and another one is Starter Template. So I will repeat, to design a website, we want two plugins. One is Elementor and another one is Starter Template. Both are free version only, so don't worry, you can use it. Okay. So to install that plugins, go to plugins and click add new. So go to plugins, click add new and type Elementor. See, Elementor. Type Elementor and it's a Elementor website builder. Yes, it's installed now. So it's installing and click activate. So the Elementor is activated, guys. And as I said, to design a website, we want two plugins, right? So we activated one plugin which is called as Elementor and another one which is called as Starter Plan. So go to starter template. Okay, starter template. It's not a starter plan. Sorry guys. Click add new. So it's okay. Now it's coming. And type starter template. STARTERTEMPLATE. Starter template. So it's loading. So this one, guys, starter template, Elementor, WordPress, and their builder template. So this is one guy. So this is a plugin we are going to install. So it's installing. And click activate. And so plugin activated. So go to starter template and C library. So this one, guys. So once template got activated, go to plugins, install plugins, and go to starter template and see it's C library, right? So click that C library. It's loading. So build your website now. That's right, build your website now. So we have Elementor. So we installed, right? So I click Elementor, and these are the themes. So these are the themes, guys. See, Very beautiful themes are there. It's good one. Let's check some. So they're providing a premium version too, but you can use free version. So if you are very satisfied with free version, then go to premium version. Okay, you can pay and use. So both Elementor and the starter template are free version, and they having paid version too. So if you have money and if you feel satisfied with the template and themes, you can use for paid. Okay, so I want a professional website. So wait, let's go to business. Let's see agency. So I'm planning for a free consultancy meeting. So I just want a consultancy themes. So consultancy themes as professional. Yes, there is a consultant. Okay, so if you want a website, if you want to build a website for school, for preschool, for university, like wedding, and if you want a website for saloon, so yes, the website. See how many website themes are there. So if you want, wait, so if you want a website for restaurant, I click restaurant. See how many websites are there. So these are the theme size. You just click. If you click this, it will be on your website. Okay, so as I said, I am planning for a consultancy, so I'm going to provide a free consultancy. So I want consultant website. So these are the themes, guys. So what can I do? I'm just searching for a good one. Let's can do what? Wait, content, personal trainer. I'm just searching for a good one, guys. I'm also using a free version. So these are the premium versions. So then they show us premium, so we cannot use it because we are in free version, right? So we cannot use it. So let's see the themes. Good theme. Not satisfied. Okay. Wait for a minute. Wait, guys. I'm just searching for a good theme. So I can go with this service, these themes. It's loading. So if you want to upload a logo for your website, then you can upload it. Okay, here we upload. So I don't want any logo and I don't have any logo, so I click skip and continue. Okay, I'm okay with colors and I'm okay with backgrounds, so I don't want to change anything. It's good, so let's click continue. So it's asking for a first name, email address. I'm intermediate for myself and my company. So if you're designing for your client, you can click this, and if you are an expert, you can click this. If you are a beginner, you can click this. I'm an intermediate, so I can click that place and your name and your email address. So if you are clicking my client, so if you are designing your website for a client, then enter your client email. Okay, so I agree to receive a newsletter and accept the data privacy statement. Okay, click everything and click submit. So it's installing, right? So it will do it automatically. So it's importing site content. So our website is getting ready. So it's done. Redirecting. Okay. So congratulations, website is ready and it took 21 seconds to build it. See, so we go to our click your website, we click it and we can see how the website is. See guys, this is our new website. See, it's good, right? So it's a good one. So before that, this website looked like this and now it's looking like this. So I don't want this. Let's cancel. Let's cancel new tab. So this is our new website. It's good, right? So when we go to service, this is our service page. It's our about page. Let's see. This is our about page. It's a good one. See the contact page. This is contact page. Oh, they providing map. Okay, not bad. Okay, it's good. So again, go to dashboard. Again, back to WordPress dashboard. Oh no, maybe later. So go to pages. So our website. See website. So it's looking nice. So comment how the website is. Okay, don't forget to comment. Okay, so comment how the website is. So if you don't like this design, tell me in the comment that I don't like this design. Okay, so go to dashboard, go to pages, all pages. So here are the pages. So home, service, about, contact. So these are the pages, guys. So go to home. So you want to edit this home page. So edit it. Click edit. Okay. So it's loading. Click next. Click next. Next. Get started. So once it got entered, so edit with click edit with Elementor. It's loading. Okay, click with Elementor. It's loading, guys. Wait for a minute. It's loading. So now we got our dashboard. Got it. So now you can change the. So see, I don't want this digital agency that thrives on your success. I don't want this. I type some random company name, XYZ company. So company name is right? So I'm okay with this. So if you feel this, if you don't want this, just wait for a minute. Yes, if you click backspace, it will go. So if you want to change anything or if you want to type anything, let's see, XYZ company is the best one. Is best and fast growing company. Company. Okay, so this is how you can change this, and I don't want this. I click this. Okay, so hire as for so marketing development. It's all okay. I can change it later. So this is about us. See how. So if you want to edit this, if you want to edit this photo, just click for photo tab and choose changes and select file. So I don't have it my custom files on, so I don't have much. Only Tuesday. Okay, no problem. So if you click select file, it will select and you can insert media and you can change this photo. Okay, so clients we work with, you can change this. Same, change photo, select files, and you can give a client photo or client company name, and why choose, just click and write something. XY is a company based. I'm writing some random things. Okay, not bad. You want to change this, you can change this. You want to change this, you can change this. You want to change the photo, as I said, in the same process, guys. So if you don't want this page, just click cancel, so it will be get cancelled. So if you don't want this, just click cancel, it will go. If you don't want this, it will go. And see, it's good. Okay, so if you want to change this, you can change this. So I click update. So I will design it later. It will take some time. So I want to have photos. So I want to change these photos and all. So it take time. So once it got update, just exit to dashboard. And click this. Okay, left corner. Click W. WordPress logo. This is how you have to edit. So if you want to edit about page, just edit, click edit with Elementor. So it's loading. So click about us. If you want to change this, you can click and change it here. So if you don't want this photo, same process, click select, insert media. So I don't want to change it now. So if you have any client testimonials, you can upload it here. So just change it, have a client photo here, etc., and change this. So this is a process. So again, exit to dashboard. So this is how you have to build your website, guys. I hope you watch this video fully, and if you want to change the other page, process is same as I said on home page and edit page. Or for all the pages, the process is same. You have to edit, click edit, and go to edit with Elementor and type what you want. Okay, so that's all. So thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy this video. So if you feel this video is worthy, then click subscribe button and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a nice day.